So when it comes to crossing police lines or accessing places that we don't have a right to because it's private property, there really isn't a lot of leeway when you're dealing with this because the lawyers that that are within the company that you work for, they lay it out very clearly. If it says no trespassing and they're not letting you in, we just don't go. As far as, but what if you really want to get a visual? Well, is there a way around it? Can if it's happening on the rooftop of a building, for example, we can't get into that building. Can we go to a neighboring building? Would we be allowed into a neighboring building and onto their rooftop so that we could get a different view of what we might be trying to get? This is always how we're thinking as journalists. There are probably situations where you want to show some sort of wrongdoing and it needs to be exposed. Even if it is private property. These are risks that you're taking, but it's something that you need to discuss with your legal department because they know the laws better. And you also want to get an organization, the organization that you're working with, to back you when you're going on these ventures because while the end result might be worth it, hypothetically, if something bad happens while you're trespassing or something, you want someone to back you up.
I can't think of a case where it would be appropriate to break the law for a story because I think, then you've obtained your story under false premises, and there are probably, the law supporting the First Amendment is very strong, and I think there are usually legal routes that you can take that are more effective